Hi, Vieira with StockMarketLive.tv. Today we are going to discuss once again this company, Canadian VALEANT, how to invest in VALEANT going in 2016. I never missed one call in VALEANT. I recorded all the calls in this company live, and I had the pleasure to inform you with regards to how to invest in VALEANT. And I don't address VALEANT every single day. I address VALEANT when I have to, and based on those instructions that they are recorded live and made available to you as a subscriber and non-subscriber, since you find free information on the website of the company, the only thing that you have to do is to follow the instructions and nothing else. Having said this, I repeat what I've been saying for 25 years, that you are wasting your time trying to figure out how to invest in the markets other than to visit our website. So it is completely useless if you keep visiting CNBC or any other site in the United States, since they do not have any control over the share price of these companies. So today we are going to address VALEANT. VALEANT today, it is one of the companies on the news. Shares are crashing, and we are going to explain why they are crashing. And the question that you might have, once again, is it possible to sell a stock at the very top ahead of a crash? And the answer is yes. Can you show it once again, and this time around in VALEANT? Sure we can. This is what we are going to do precisely today. But before I do it, I think that it's important to refer to the investment process in VALEANT and therefore past history, all right, since we never missed one single call. So we are going to visit the website, StockMarketLive.tv, and bear in mind that I'm going to start with this slide on CNN, that our work, it is precisely based on credibility and honesty. We record everything live, and we are the only company in the world doing it with 100% accuracy, okay? So we are going to refer in first place to this call that you have here on Vimeo. Is a video including instructions, and this video you also find it on the blog of the company, and the title is VALEANT Stock Forecast and Analysis for Hedge Funds. As you are aware, we offer a service to wealthy investors, hedge funds, investment banks, sovereign funds, and central banks. Having said this, the video was recorded calling a bottom in VALEANT last year in 2015, when shares they crashed all the way down to $71 an hour. So you have the video recorded live, and you can watch it and play it many times because it is available on the web. Having said this, you have to refer to our website as well as the short-term chart in VALEANT. So what did happen once in 2015? I said here you are going to cover short positions in VALEANT at $71 an hour. Share price rallied all the way up to almost $120. The question is, when are you going to sell VALEANT? Do we have a new bull market in VALEANT? And the answer is no. So why don't we have a new bull market in VALEANT, and why to sell VALEANT shares at the very top on the day the shares they try to get to $120? We are going to show you here precisely that, based on a call recorded live, shared with subscribers, investors worldwide on live streaming trading. So what I'm going to show is precisely the call responsible for the reverse of the situation in VALEANT that was coincident with an article on Forbes saying that Bill Ackman is the man to follow in VALEANT. Well, it happens that Bill Ackman, I've been discussing Bill Ackman for years. Bill Ackman is a hedge fund manager losing billions in the stock market, in particular in VALEANT, all right? So they made the call once again at the very top. And why? Because although that content, it is paid marketing. Unlike our company, you don't see ads in our website. So you have today VALEANT at $78.26, and now we are going to show you how to sell Valiant shares at the very top, all right? Now that you saw the chart, on the day of the very top, as well as we did in Solar City and many other stocks, as well as we can do it at the very bottom, all right? So this is what you are going to see right now. All right, ladies and gentlemen, you have here Valiant trading at 119.63 cents. You are going to sell 50% of your long position, all right? In regards to Solar City, if you wish, you can do the same. $50.74, 51 is perfectly fine, all right? So 50% on both cases, and on both cases you raise your trailing stops with regard to remaining positions on both companies, okay? And this is ahead of the Federal Reserve meeting, what they have to say, and I think this is the less risky strategy. And once again, congratulations to all of you, investors and subscribers to stockmarketlive.tv. I told you, you could become millionaires by investing following the guidance before the year's end and within 1 month. Thank you and good luck going into the meeting. And well, now that you saw the video, therefore the call live at the very top in Valiant, I'm going to finalize by saying this. I found impossible to lose money in the markets. You just have, again, the proof of it. Secondly, I do recommend you to invest in the basic trading course if you consider that to invest in the markets it is important to you, and to unplug the TV, as well as to stop reading any single piece of information that you find on any American website, since all those articles and content, they are paid marketing. So these guys, what they do continuously, consistently, regardless of stock market conditions, is to pump a stock at the very top and to downgrade at the very bottom. Therefore, the magic formula to become successful investing in markets, it is precisely to do what Americans are doing. I'm not referring to 1% of Americans or 0.5%, since those they are doing the right thing. I'm referring to 98% of the population. That is the reason why 0.5% they are filthy rich, while the rest they are working in McDonald's. Why? Because they listen to all these American heroes that appears on Forbes magazine, the Carl Icahns, the Bill Ackmans, the Jim Cramers, and so on, buying stocks at the top and selling at the very bottom. Here, what we do is precisely the opposite. Therefore, we never miss one call. It's simple. And you have the mathematical proof on the website of the company in thousands of case studies since the past 25 years. So I finalize by saying, with the same slide as before, honesty and credibility, and you are losing money in the markets because you want to, instead of becoming a millionaire by following the instructions that they were given to you in real time for free at our website. Thank you.